Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back again to the kitchen. Today we are going tiki and we're gonna make a painkiller. It fits the Navy strength theme that we've been running for the past week or two now. Last time we made a Navy strength gin cocktail by making the gimlet. This time we're making a Navy strength rum cocktail with the painkiller. So I went out and got some 114 proof rum, because that's how it was originally made. They found other ways to tweak it and do different things since time has passed, but this was a Navy strength cocktail originally, so that's how we're gonna do it today. It was originally created, we're gonna say back in the 1970s by a gal named Daphne Henderson. She owned a bar called the Soggy Dollar Bar, and the reason they called it the Soggy Dollar Bar was the only way you get to the bar was to wade up to it, so all your money would get wet. One of her regulars, close friends and neighbor, was a guy named Charles Tobias, and he was an owner, or had a stock in the Pusser's rum company. And so along the way, as he tried to figure out the recipe and she denied it, but he ended up coming up with a drink. I think he was able to insert his rum into this cocktail's name, so they called it Pusser's Painkiller for a long time, and the origins of it are all theirs, and they have all the claims on it, which is, it's fun, but it's not necessarily what's needed, because since those times, the Pusser's rum, you can still find it at Navy strength, but it's harder to find. Now you just typically find the 80 proof, and so that's why we're using a different kind. Cool. It's a pretty simple, well, it's a simple one, but it's a tiki drink, so there's multiple ingredients. We have our 2 ounces of rum. We have 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, and then 1 ounce of coconut cream. We're gonna shake vigorously, strain over fresh ice, and then top with a little fresh nutmeg. All right, let's make it. All right, so 2 ounces of rum. Four ounces of pineapple. My jigger's only 2 ounces, so I'm gonna have to fill this thing up twice. I just pureed a pineapple. I didn't juice a pineapple, so it's gonna have some extra little fiber in there, but that works pretty well. I've never been upset with little extra pineapple chunks. And if you want, you can always double strain. So I'm gonna go 1 ounce orange juice. 1 ounce of coconut cream. So if you like pina coladas, this is going to be a drink. If you like pina coladas and they're not strong enough for you, this is kind of what you're looking for. So we shake the hell out of that. Zone out a little. All right. Over fresh ice. Woo! Little fresh nutmeg. And that's a painkiller. Mmm.